Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a new Exness trading account. Plus, if you're interested in IC markets, fusion markets, or Bybit, account creation links and tutorial videos are all in the description below. Always make sure you're on the official website to avoid scams. Use the trusted links in the description to protect your account and funds. Let's get started. First, head to the official Exness website. Again, use the link in the description. Click on Register at the top right. Now choose your country, enter your email, and set a strong password. Then click on Continue to proceed. Click on Real Account to create your live trading account. Now click Complete Profile. Verify your email and phone number. Exness will send you confirmation codes. Next, add your first name, last name, date of birth, address, and gender. Click Continue once done. Exness will now ask you some general trading-related questions. Answer them as you wish. They help assess your experience level. Click Verify Identity. Upload a valid ID, like a passport, driving license, or national ID. Make sure the document is clear and fully visible. Choose your country, upload your file, and then click Submit Document. Once verified, click to Open New Account. Choose your leverage, currency, and set a trading password. Click Create Account. Now you're ready to trade. Click Deposit and choose from all available methods, like bank card, crypto, or e-wallets. When you're ready to withdraw your profits, go to Withdraw and select your preferred method. Simple, fast, and secure. And that's it. You now have a fully verified and active Exness trading account. Want to create accounts on other trusted platforms like IC Markets, Fusion Markets, or Bybit? The official links and account creation videos are in the description. Avoid scams by only using verified links. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tutorials.